Sharing location data is becoming increasingly popular. People are sharing their fitness data with friends, heart rate alongside text messages, or their locations to create a sense of intimacy. But turning the sharing off may raise distrust. To address this, we developed Lilo, a location sharing app with nuanced sharing settings and the option to disclose configurations. Prior research on interpersonal location sharing emphasized the importance of feedback and transparency. First, they focused more on the people's needs for sharing their location, but neglected to investigate the requirements for more fine-grained configuration and their disclosure. So we investigate on how location sharing can be configured in a meaningful and satisfactory way, whether asynchronous configuration is appropriate, what impact the configuration has on the app's usage, and whether the concept of configurable continuous location sharing finally is more satisfactory for the users. First, in a focus group, we discussed scenarios on potential problems with existing location sharing applications. And we then collected proposed solutions and derived the configuration options for Lilo. Based on these derived options, we developed Lilo, an Android application intended to be used to share location between two partners. So these are the configuration options which we finally incorporated into Lilo. So first, a decreasable accuracy, then a counter that limits the amount of location requests by the partner, a minimum time interval between location updates, and a notification that can be enabled that informs one user if the other accessed their location. And also very important as our disclosed configuration screen. So one can not only see their own configuration and change it, but also see the partner's configuration in the read-only mode, of course. We evaluated Lilo in a 16-day user study with 4 pairs. There was no restricted task. The participants should simply try it out in their daily lives. We found that the users felt empowered by having these configuration options and that the disclosure of configuration profiles is a good compromise. We further found that participants preferred informative settings over restrictive settings. This means, for example, that users prefer to be notified about the other one accessing their location instead of reducing their location accuracy. Thanks for watching our video, and we are happy if you check out our paper.